Hello Internet 2024. Well, hang on a second, there's a tunnel coming up. What a chart I am. Oh, what am I like, what am I like? Right, anyway, that's not the reason why you are watching me. The reason is I've done something magic with my hands. What I did behind the driver's seat there, if you've got a problem with your command system, and I've had a problem off and on, where it works, it doesn't work. What I've used to find in the past, it's a little fiber optic system, and if you open the little connection, the orange cable, pull them out of the, whether it's the CD auto changer or if it's the amplifier at the back, and it tends to come to life. But all I did was, behind the left seat, which is the driver's seat in the US, passenger seat in the UK, I went like this, I went, and she started working. Straight away she started working, and the radio was working beautifully. So here is the magic tap that you need to do. Give this a try, see if your radio comes on. Just reach behind, give it one of these ones. Sends a little shock down to the amplifier that sits right below where the CD changer is. If you haven't got a CD player, you can actually reach down through the slot and have a look inside. But there's a power connection and there's also a fiber optic connection in there. It's making me think now that the amplifier which sits behind there is perhaps got a little bit of a dirty connection. Why would it work otherwise when I give it a tap? And it was straight away. So what I'm going to do, I haven't got a CD auto changer. There's a video below if you want to know. I've removed it and I've got a nice little Bluetooth streaming music module called Mr12V, and it allows me to basically stream stuff from my phone. But I can get into the back there, I'll remove that little tray and we'll have a look at the amplifier, because I believe that could be the source of why my radio doesn't work every now and then. If I put the radio on, have a listen. See? There's a little bit of that kind of feeling I've got to sing, because otherwise I get a copyright strike, but you know the song, pretty much. Now, if I hit it behind here again, yeah, I get a little sort of hiccup. Isn't that interesting? Yes. So here we go. Here is point in case. We are all working and we are all cooking with gas. Radio, if I hit the radio, I'm going to keep talking. I can just press the presets. If I go back to my audio button now yours is going to be slightly different because I have a little module which is a Bluetooth module, and I connect to it by pressing what was the CD auto changer, and you can see it's going to my Bluetooth audio. This is streaming from the phone, and if I don't want Bluetooth, I press number 6 and I can hit audio. Now the audio in is actually talking to DAB unit that I have here, which I can tune in, which is connected via that audio input. Likewise, the map's going to work now, which wouldn't work before because I think we had the issue with the connection on the amplifier. And the navigation, obviously, that's going to behave itself too. And lastly, when I go to telephone, it's got all my contacts, so that's all working. And we are all good. We are working beautifully. There you go. Let me know in the comments below.